Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to withdraw Chainlink link from Binance to your Ledger Nano X. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, so you can sleep easy knowing your investments are protected. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Binance account, your Ledger Nano X device set up with the latest firmware, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. Always double-check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked. Security is key in crypto. Step 1. Open your Binance app or website and log in. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet. Find Chainlink link in your holdings. Next, click on Withdraw. This will prompt you to enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app since Chainlink is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Go back to Binance and paste the wallet address from your Ledger. In Ledger Live, navigate to Accounts, select your Ethereum account, and copy the address. Make sure to double-check it. Typos can lead to lost funds. Step 3. In Binance, enter the amount of link you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs first. Select the Ethereum network for the withdrawal, as that's what Chainlink uses. Hit Submit, and confirm the transaction with 2FA for added security. Once you've initiated the withdrawal, keep an eye on your Ledger Live app. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transaction to confirm, depending on network congestion in 2025. And hey, if you run into any issues, always reach out to Binance or Ledger support. There you have it. That's how you safely withdraw Chainlink to your Ledger Nano X. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.